So we start off today's video with this haircut transformation. Wow, beautiful bob haircuts. Her hair looks so thick and full. Absolutely stunning transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more long to short hairstyle ideas. So if you are in need of a major hair transformation, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, loving this undercut bob style. The color combination is absolutely gorgeous with the black and the pink. Very nice. And then here we see someone with shoulder length hair. It's like she decided to get her hair completely shaven down. Maybe she's gonna get a buzz cut with this change. Definitely a lot of emotions going with this one. Oh. Okay, so definitely a buzz cut. And some color. Yes, with the blonde. Wow, she looks amazing. Very cool. So then we have a curly cut transformation. Hair steam treatment, perfect for curly hair. Wow, gorgeous curly bob haircut, very nice. Beautifully done. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. It looks like the stylist did a nice cut refresh. Gorgeous bob haircut. Love the color. Very nice. So next up, we have someone with shoulder length blonde hair. All right, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.